I just want to say thank you to Shahroz for the invitation to join you tonight. The weather is perfect.
It is. First wedding.
I feel like I'm in Karachi right now. But thank you for your hospitality. You know, Shahroz is one of those people with a heart as big as Canada. And thank you for including us during this Iftar, this Ramadan celebration. I would note that this year the city of Brampton, for the first time ever, is hosting a city-sponsored Eid party on April 23rd. Everyone's invited. Hopefully bring the kids. We have lots of kids activities. April 23rd at Gage Park. Today I love the food. I felt guilty because I wasn't fasting. But this Wednesday in Brampton, myself and our city council are all fasting together. So I'm looking forward to showing you the results Wednesday. And I just want to say it speaks to the respect we hold for you, Shahroz, that you have public servants from all over. You know, I see MPs, MPPs all here because they know you're all about community. So on behalf of the city of Brampton, I just want to say thank you to my friend Shahroz, and to say to everyone, Ramadan Mubarak, and have a wonderful Iftar tonight.
Very good. Thank you so much.